వెల్కమ్ టు 10K న్యూస్. లేటెస్ట్ డిజైన్ కావాలా, లేటెస్ట్ డ్రెస్ కోడ్ కావాలా, మీకు ఏదైనా ఫంక్షన్ ఉందా, మీకు లేటెస్ట్ టెక్నాలజీలో లేటెస్ట్ డిజైనింగ్ మీ బాడీకి ఏదైతే మ్యాచ్ అవుతుందో అలాంటి డిజైనింగ్ ఇక్కడ చేసే స్టూడియో ఎక్కడ ఉంది? డ్రేప్రెస్ స్టూడియో అని చెప్పి విశాఖపట్నంలో బీచ్ రోడ్ పాండురంగాపురంలో ఈ స్టూడియో అయితే ఉంది. ఇక్కడ ఏమేమి వెరైటీస్ దొరుకుతున్నాయి, ఎలాంటి డిజైన్స్ ఇక్కడ అందుబాటులో ఉన్నాయి అనేది ఒకసారి మేడంని అడిగి తెలుసుకుందాం. బోలియే మేడం, ఆప్కే పాస్ క్యా క్యా స్పెషల్ హై?
I have Indian,
Okay.
Indo-Western and Western. All kind of designs will be there, and my range will be. It starts like 5k till 80k. Okay, and it's up to you. If you want, it's about customers, clients. What kind of design they want. So we design according to their personality, their body type.
Okay.
So that's my work.
Okay.
And it's all my designs.
Okay.
I'm the designer, Shalini Niranjan.
Right.
Yeah.
Okay, kids wear is there, na?
Yeah. Kids wear is there, party wear.
Party
Yeah,
wear.
yeah.
Party wear starting price
Starting price will be 3k.
3K.
Yeah, 3,000 till 10k will be there. Yeah, so it's up to you what
Okay.
kind of design you want. So depends pattern.
स्पेशल डिजाइन क्या 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 रहता है आपके पास?
Can I show you?
Yeah.
This is my latest design. Actually, recently I got I won national award.
Okay.
Yeah. So like I won for that Indo-Western
Indo-Western.
specialized. Yeah. So I'm the specialized for Indo-Western costume. So I'll show you my designs. This is my latest design. This is Western, completely Western. Okay, and come. And this is, see, I'll show you. There are so many varieties. These are kurtas because I design according to this city.
Okay.
Because people are in this city, they are a bit conservative.
Okay.
So they want style, but fully covered. So this is kurta, but it's kind of Indo-Western. See, sleeves will be sleeves, different kind of sleeves.
Okay.
You will put one belt over here.
Okay.
I'll show you some more. See this one. Okay. This is divider. Okay. Jumpers. We call it jumpers. Any kind of any type of body they can wear. Okay. We will put one belt over here. See, it's divider. It's not a gown or something. Okay. That kind of thing. We have butterflies. So many varieties will be there. Ghagras will be there. Okay. So you can stylize with the shirt and any kind of top, crop top. So these kind of stuff, and blouses, designer blouses will be there. So about this, these are gowns. Okay, these are gowns. So okay, this is the pattern. See, and these are not expensive. If you'll go somewhere else, you'll get like 10k or something.
Okay.
It's like 5 or 6. So I don't think so. It's a bit costly. These are designer stuff, but it's reasonable. We have reasonable price, everything. You will love it. See the designs. Yeah. Done? Okay. About my work, no? You're asking about my work,
Yes.
right? Okay.
चलिए.
See, okay. Basically, my work is about only designing. I do designing only, not stitching. If you'll come like a cloth and you'll ask about, okay, can you stitch my blouse? No, I will not do. So we are into customization. We work on bodies. Okay, according to your body, we will design. So like this ghagra. So we have fabric also. Okay, according to your body, we will suggest what kind of pattern you need, what kind of color you should go, and what kind of neckline you should wear. So we suggest, yeah, consultancy also, yeah. Okay, for kids, okay, both the theme based designs. Okay, this is my kids wear. Okay, so we design according to your theme. Nowadays people are into themes and all. Okay, some any kind of theme we can design according to. In fact, daughter and mother theme, all kind of themes we can design anything. We are in designing.
ఓకే, చూసారు కదా, ఇది ఇక్కడ ఉన్న డ్రెస్ మోడల్స్. ఇక్కడ మీకు బాడీకి ఎలా అయితే మీకు మ్యాచ్ అవుతాయో అలాగా డిజైన్ చేసి మీకు అందించే అవకాశం ఇక్కడ ఉంది. మీరు కావాలి అనుకుంటే విశాఖపట్నం బీచ్ రోడ్లో ఉన్న పాండురంగాపురం ఈ బొటిక్ వచ్చి మీరు సందర్శించవచ్చు.
ఉషా అండి, ర్యాప్రీస్ బాగుంటుంది. ఇక్కడ కలెక్షన్ చాలా బాగుంటుంది, మంచి వెరైటీ ఉంటుంది. వైజాగ్లో కూడా ఎక్కడ ఉండకపోవచ్చు మీకు ఇలాంటి కలెక్షన్. నాకు బాగా నచ్చుతాయి, చాలా తీసుకున్నాం కూడా,
ఓకే.
బాగుంటుంది.
ప్రైసెస్ ఎలా ఉన్నాయండి?
ప్రైసెస్ రీజనబుల్గా ఉంటున్నాయండి.